In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Gmail account permanently. So open up a web browser, and if you're on your web browser and you're logged in, go to your Gmail account in the top right hand corner. Once you're here, you need to find your account. If you're logged into more than one, you can go ahead and switch it. Once you've logged into the correct account, click on that account in the top right, and then click Manage Your Google Account. Here, you can go ahead and find the delete button, or if you just go to the search bar, you can type in delete. You'll then be given two options. You can either delete your whole Google account. This will be including data in Google Drive, Google Calendar, and any Google products, or you can delete a Google service, so this will just be an individual service. If you want to delete your whole account, click the top one, and then verify it's you by re-logging in. Once you've done that, you can scroll down. You'll be able to see all of your data which will be deleted, including Drive, Gmail, a brand account, and so on. Acknowledge all of this and then click delete account, and your account will be permanently deleted.